Okay guys, so I got this package from Amazon, but I already know what's inside. Excuse me for the big mess on my desk and for whatever. Anyway, that's basically the Soundcore speaker that I got from Amazon. And now we will do an unboxing just for fun. Yeah, it's not a review, okay? It's not that kind of stuff, but it's just a full little unboxing, because why not? I cannot even unbox a stupid box properly. Yeah, I'm really excited, to be honest. Alright, now the thing is opened. Paper and finally the speaker itself. Or maybe the original box, not the Amazon box. So now let's open the box of the speaker. So yeah, let's do this. So that's the box. Alright, looks amazing, nice little box. So let's open it up. That's really amazing to do. I really like this. Alright, now let's remove the speaker from the plastic thing. It's really heavy anyway. And alright, what do we have? Auxiliary cable. That's really useful because I use so many of these that I don't have them anymore. I need to buy them, but yeah, they are here, so nice. USB Type-C, also really useful, and that's a really nice thing that this speaker charges with a USB Type-C. It's just so useful. You can even charge with a power bank. Anyway, USB Type-C, which is so useful. Manuals, other safety stuff, and the speaker itself. So let's open it up, and ooh, that looks and feels amazing. One thing that maybe makes me wonder, it's made from that plastic rubbery thing that I think from years it will do a bad job, like my Audio Pro speakers. They rot away, the rubbery thing rot away. Okay, we should turn it up. To turn it up the speaker, there is a dedicated button here, and that's the sound that makes when you turn it up. Now let's pair it to my cell phone, just to do a first test, maybe, kind of stuff. Soundcore Motion Plus, like it's written here. Okay, now it's paired. Let's use a song. Let's use It's Already. Alright, it's so loud. That's so impressive. Really didn't expect to be that nice. Whoa! This is definitely a good speaker, and it's so cheap. Yeah, I paid 80 euros because it was on a discount on Amazon, but still, for 100 euros, so worth. And that's just my first impression, so I will test it better. So we will even use maybe equalizers stuff, and that will sound more amazing. That is so nice. Anyway, thanks for watching this stupid video. Really, this is a really stupid video, yeah, but it was cool to do that, so why not? Yeah, these speakers are the ones from the old video, so you'll recognize them if you watched my previous video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye bye.